Hi, this video tutorial I will cover the difference between the HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet. Before we see the difference, first we will see the common things between HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet. HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet implements set interface, and all these three won't allow duplicate elements. HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet are not synchronized, so they cannot be shared between multiple threads, and all three are clonable and serializable. And the iterator written by all three is fail-fast in nature. Now we will see the difference between HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet. How they work internally. HashSet uses hashmap internally to store its elements. Linked asset uses linked hashmap internally to store its elements. TreeSet uses treemap internally to store its elements. Order of elements. HashSet won't maintain any insertion order of elements. Linked asset maintains insertion order of elements. TreeSet order the elements according to the supplied comparator. If no comparator is supplied, then the elements will be arranged in the natural sorting order. Performance. Performance of HashSet is better than linked asset and TreeSet, and the performance of linked asset is less than HashSet but more than TreeSet. Performance of linked asset is less than HashSet because linked asset has to maintain the insertion order, and TreeSet gives less performance than HashSet and linked asset because TreeSet has to sort the elements after each insertion and removal operations. How they compare the elements. To remove the duplicate elements, HashSet uses equals and hashcode methods to compare the elements. Linked asset also uses equals and hashcode methods to compare the elements. To remove duplicate elements, TreeSet uses compare or compare to methods to compare the elements. It won't use equals or hashcode methods to compare the elements. Null elements. HashSet allows maximum one null element. Linked asset allows maximum one null element. TreeSet won't allow null element. If you try to add null, it will throw null pointer exception. Memory occupation. HashSet requires less memory than linked asset and TreeSet, but linked asset and TreeSet requires more memory than HashSet. When to use? Suppose if you don't want to maintain any insertion order, then we can go for HashSet. Suppose if you want to maintain insertion order, then we can go for linked asset. If you want to sort the elements according to some comparator, then we can go for TreeSet. And this is about the difference between HashSet, linked asset and TreeSet. And thanks for watching.